Hello yoga family, hello yoga community, welcome to my channel, the best place to practice yoga for your body, mind, and soul. This is a heart chakra guided affirmation meditation. All you need is yourself and any prop that you would like to sit atop of. I'm sitting on a block right now. So the heart chakra, the element is air, the activity is connecting, it is your social identity, it is your relationship center. It has everything to do with love and your right to both feel love and be loved. And because the element is air and the location is the chest region, pranayama, which is a practice that's baked into almost all of the different yoga systems that include practices and techniques, pranayama and our breath are incredibly helpful tools to help us change and support our desired states of being. And so for this practice, we're going to work with the affirmation, my breath supports me. My breath supports me, so that we can stay open and loving and accepting on our difficult yet incredibly fulfilling life journeys. I think you and I can agree that the more open, loving, and accepting that we are, the easier it is to navigate life's joys and pains, right? Especially the pains, the hardships, and the challenges. So that is our affirmation, and we will pair it with a mudra, which is a hand gesture, and it's a hand gesture for the anahata chakra. It is called the Padma mudra, which is the gesture of the lotus for balancing the heart chakra. It's a very simple hand gesture. You'll bring your hands into prayer. And then, you'll bring your hands into prayer and then create a lotus-like shape. The base of the palms, the border of the pinky finger and thumb will stay connected, and the other three fingers will extend outwards. Relax your shoulders back and down. And take a few centering breaths. Now, if at any time holding the mudra is too cumbersome and it's distracting, this is one of those that's a bit cumbersome for me to personally hold. Relax your hands down. Simple as that. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose, beginning to transition into our sadhana, into our spiritual practice together. And now layering in our affirmation, my breath supports me. And we'll be here for 5 minutes together. Notice if you can relax the jaw, maybe stretch the mouth wide. Let the tongue float freely in the mouth. Soften the cheekbones, soften the eyes. Let the forehead relax, the hairline let go. Lengthen through the back of the neck. Feel the chin tip slightly downward. My breath supports me. You can say that affirmation aloud or repeat it silently over and over. Awareness at the anahata chakra, awareness in the mudra. My breath supports me. Each time the mind wanders, come back to our affirmation. My breath supports me. Reconnect with your breath. Allow it to do just that. Over halfway there. Last minute together, my breath supports me. If you're holding the mudra, reconnect to the hand gesture. Last 3 repetitions of our affirmation here. Release both the mudra and the affirmation and sit quietly for a moment. Feel the flow of the in-breath and the out-breath. Sense the internal state of calmness that we've cultivated. And I want you to bring your attention and awareness to the next most important thing that you need to place your attention on today. What's the next most important thing? And how can you let this practice and our affirmation and your breath support you as you conclude this practice and step off your mat and begin that? Can you keep your breath alive? Can you return back to it? Slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep your affirmation at the forefront of your awareness. My breath supports me. And then take one cleansing, rejuvenating breath. Take one relaxing breath. Take a heavy sigh, right? Depending on what you need, do that. Okay, so if you need some energy, shift to an activating pranayama. If you need to downregulate the nervous system because you're chest breathing and you're feeling anxious, extend the exhale breath. These are techniques that as yoga students we begin to learn and leverage because we add them to our toolkits. If you like practicing with me, if you're interested in the chakra system and exploring it further, get my yoga reset guide. It's in the description below. It'll take you on a 7-step journey through the system with many different resources to help you deepen your understanding and build that toolkit that I'm referencing. Otherwise, once you get that in your inbox, please meet me back here to keep practicing yoga holistically together.